Hey guys, I just wanted to bring in and do a little short video for you. What to anticipate this spring. Um, this is a '92 Camaro I'm working on. It's mine. Repainted, already done the engine. You can look at all the videos. Next winter I'm going to do this interior. Maybe over the summer I'll work on the rear end because I got to get rid of this. I got to put a limited slip in it. And up the gear ratio, this has a 293. I'm going to put a 373 in, so we're going to do some axle work. Put a limited slip in it. Next winter, we're going to do this interior tackle it. But anyway, my sister, she's got a 78. She just bought a 78. She didn't buy it, she traded a bike for it. So she got a 78 Camaro. And we're really got to do some extensive work on it. We've got to all new floor. I mean, the floors are totally gone, all the way up into the toe pan, into the firewall, all the way back up under the back seats into the front part of the trunk. The inner rocker panels are gone, so it's going to be a total reconstructive surgery, really. But the aftermarket, they sell everything for it. You can get your floor pans, you can get your a whole firewall, you can get all the toe board part and the transmission tunnel for it. You get your floor pans, you can get your inner rocker panels, you can get your braces, and you can get everything for it. But anybody who is curious about that, who is not real familiar with that extensive rust repair. And the reason that this thing's so rusted, I was looking at it, she got it all of the window window stripping is gone. I mean, there's a couple, and most of the door, water, and it probably set, water got in there, rusted out the whole thing. The interior is basically shot. I mean, there's no center console. There's, dash is really just kind of, but we'll work with it. And so anybody who's got a 70s model Camaro from 70 to 81, might want to tune in. If you got bad floors, if you got any kind of rust repair, and she knows it's a project. So this summer, we're working on the floors. She's going to restore the whole interior. She's getting new carpet, new sound deadener, insulation, seats, dash, door panels. She's getting a kit, really. And this kit has everything from, like I said, carpet, seat material, dash pad, screws, armrest, door panel, everything to do your whole interior. So if you're interested in updating your interior, tune in this summer. If you're interested in fixing any kind of floor, if your floor is as bad as this, which I hope they're not driving it around if your floor is as bad as this, but I mean, it's bad. Her floors are gone. The only thing in her car is the transmission tunnel, literally. So I'll show you. I ain't ever seen a Camaro this bad. I ain't ever seen a car this bad before. Her floorboards are gone, but we can fix it. Welder, grinder, a little time, a little experience, and I'm going to give it to you. I'm going to show you the tips. I'm going to show you the tricks. So you can tackle jobs like this yourself, man. These cars are awesome. Not necessarily just Camaros, but a Mustang or Chevelle, a Falcon, anything. It's all kind of the same if you just know the procedures and how to approach it, and how to tackle it. So I hope you tune in, and I hope I can help you out. and we'll see what happens. But I just want to shoot a little video to tell you, tune in this spring, man. If this car right here, I'll show you a few little things, a little patch repairs and stuff, how to weld them in, how to make templates on cardboard and stuff. But her car is going to be a major, as far as the interior, a major reconstruction. The outside, it's kind of crazy. The outside looks like it's in pretty good shape. It's been painted before. It used to be a blue or a purple, I can't tell. Now it's a green. So when we go to paint it, probably not this coming summer, next summer, or whenever she wants to do it, she realizes it's a project. It's going to be a few years to get this going, but we got to get the interior and floors in so she gets to dry it. And that's the whole purpose. That's what I do with this. I don't park it. I don't park it for 5 or 10 years and totally restore it. I drive this thing. That's the fun of it, man. I drive this thing during the summertime. I don't take it out in the winter. I drive this thing in the summertime to fairs and small town festivals and car shows and have fun with it, man. Drive it to work. And that's the whole point of it. I mean, if you want to park it for 10 years and restore it and drive it 10 years later, then that's up to you. The whole part of this, the whole point of this is just getting your car out there, driving it, having fun in it, smoking some rubber, fixing it up in the wintertime when there's not much going on, and that's what I do. In the wintertime, I shut it down. I paint it. Last winter, I did the whole engine, which I still got to do some stuff with that. Next winter, after the paint job, I'm doing the whole interior. In the summer, we've got to, like I said on my sister's car, do the interior. She's got to get it to where it's drivable. She can get the floors in, get the interior in, it runs, and put some brakes on it. She can drive it. Then she can drive it in the summertime and have fun with it, just like this. Do stuff in the wintertime and enjoy your ride. Because let me tell you, it's easy to get burned out on a project because I've done it. I used to have a 94 Camaro, black, convertible, and in fact, it was my other sister's. And she overheated it and blew the engine in it. And I got it in here, and I worked on it for a while, and I lost interest, and I did this and that and the other, and because I didn't get the engine built and sat here for a while. I lost interest in it. And I learned over the years that it's easy to do that. If you have the patience for it, it's fine, man. Great. It's great. Do it. But for those of you who want to have fun in your ride, man, you want to go out and show it off and scream up and down the streets, I mean, legally. So this is the way to do it. Park it in the wintertime, do stuff to it, fix it up, drive it in the summertime, spring, summer, fall, have fun with it, park it in the winter, do something else with it. That's what I do tomorrow with it. I found out over the years it works out well. It's fun. I don't get burnt out on my project. I'm having fun with it. And it gives me a chance to save up some money, you know. If you're like me and any other blue-collar worker, it takes money. So over the summer, I save up money for my project in the winter. I do my project in the winter. Over the summer, I save up money. It's easier to do that unless you got a big, deep pocket. You got big, deep pockets and a thick wallet today, do whatever you want. Most people ain't like that. But anyway, I just wanted to show you, tune in this spring, man. If you're interested in figuring out on replacing that whole floor, I'm telling you, her floorboards are rusting all the way up into the firewall. I got to figure out how far up when I get it over here this spring. She's going to bring it over about April. It's February now. And then kind of go from there. So tune in. If you're interested in it, want to know what it's going to take, I'll show you step by step how to put a whole new floor in the bottom of the Camaro. Hit like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. I'll talk to you guys later.